How to unblock websites on your MacBook computer. So this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and also iMac as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then press System Settings. From the left-hand side, you need to scroll down this page and click on Screen Time. Now scroll down again to Content and Privacy, and make sure Content and Privacy is turned off and disabled like this. Now once you've done this, you can go and load up your web browser. If you're using Safari, click on Safari at the top of the page and click on Safari Extensions. Now just make sure you've turned off and disabled any Safari extensions like this. As you can see, all of mine have been deleted. Now once you've done this, head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click on your profile icon and then you'll need to scroll down to the Safe Search and make sure this is turned off like you see here. Once you've done this, you can check to see if you can now access the website. If it's still not working, click on Safari again and click on Safari Extensions. Now click on Websites, scroll down to Pop-up Windows, and if you see your website in this list, click on the drop-down arrow and make sure this is set to Allow. Also at the bottom, make sure this is set to Allow as well. Now once you've done this, this should have unblocked any website on your MacBook.